Look, one of the things that always bothers people during flight and aerial filming is that they have to focus either on their flight or on the frame and shot they're filming. Well, many times it would happen that one of them would be sacrificed for the other, meaning the flight was sacrificed for the frame, or the frame and the shot they wanted was sacrificed for the flight they were performing. But in this program, I want to tell you something that has changed the game and will change all our flight rules and regulations from now on. You no longer need to worry about what frame and shot you're setting up. You just need to focus on the flight, and then you can easily have any image angle you want. I'm talking about the DJI Avata 360. The new drone from DJI that allows you to take 360 images. It's like you're using several cameras simultaneously and you can have the image of any angle you like. One of the reasons this drone is attractive is its 1-inch sensor that can deliver images in 8K quality, and you can edit your image through its app according to the frame and angle you want and get your desired output. What I find very interesting is that with just a single filming shot, you can actually have any angle you want in the edit, and you can even create different edits as well. Because in the DJI app itself, you just need to select camera movement, and with the default modes it has prepared for you, you can choose and turn that image into several different images. Another positive point of this drone is that you don't even need to worry about the subject, because you can easily select your subject. It locks onto the subject, follows it itself, and that's it. You just need to press the record button. One of the attractions of this drone is that you can connect it to your goggles and fly it like an FPV drone using the remote controller 3 and goggles, and you can easily pass through obstacles with peace of mind. And the attractive part is that besides having a flat FPV image, you can turn it into a 360 image in many parts and create a new angle. If I want to put it very briefly, this isn't a drone. It's a new tool for seeing the world from a new angle that wasn't possible before.